Hi, I'm Kyle Dykes. I'm the trombone professor at William Carey University, and I'll be playing the Year C Fast Etude for Mississippi ASBDA for you. Some things to consider when practicing this particular etude. Make note of the accents, make note of the changes in dynamic, make note of at the end where it says piano crescendo instead of piano and an actual crescendo sign. Make sure you adhere to that. Something to consider when practicing this etude would be to make your single tongues and your double tongues sound the same towards the middle where you have the tut tut ticka tut 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 ticka tut. Just practice making sure they sound very similar. So you could do something like 2 sets of 16th notes where you make one single tongue, one double tongue. Just practice making them sound the same. And then something else, a tip that I might give you, it would be if you're starting to sound a little pecky or your notes start speaking, give yourself a little bit more body, a little bit more length to the notes, even if it says staccato, because it'll still sound staccato, but you'll be able to get the notes out easier. So without further ado, I'll play this for you. Thank you. Happy practicing. I am going to be playing the Year C slow etude for you here on trombone, Andante affettuoso. Some things to consider when preparing this etude would be dolce, which means sweetly, so the whole etude needs to be slow and sweet. But that doesn't mean that your slide needs to move slower. So make sure that your slide is moving just as fast as if you were playing your fast etude, but you keep your tongue and your air smooth and consistent. So when you're doing, keep that in mind, and also keep in the dynamics. Make sure you're following those decrescendos and crescendos, and then make a difference between the stuff that is under a phrase marking or a slur and the stuff that is accented and not. So I'm going to play that for you.